Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. We have to take a look at the gold market since it has erased the bullish setup that potentially could be realized here, but with the collapse yesterday below the recent lows, that was a vital point for bullish setup, and currently it's clear that market stands in a major retracement that we expected to get, but we thought that could be a bit later. Here's the background that we have discussed in the last couple of weeks. We need to take into consideration currently in both time frames, as a daily as a weekly. So on the weekly chart, actually we thought that could be double repo sell pattern, and that candle that we have here, it's white candle, it was the bullish grabber on the MACD indicator. This was very good background to expect another top here, complete the minor XOP, and then collapse. So getting of the double repo sell. But as market has dropped on Monday below the lows of the grabber, this setup has failed. So actually we have taken it at pause when the market has dropped to the 1506 last week, because it was too deep retracement to the major support area, and that doesn't correspond to idea of this upward continuation. But since then we're just sitting on the hands and waiting what will happen, because market keeps the dual situation. So from one point of view, it still was keeping valid the bullish setup, standing above these lows, and grabber was valid. Still, it was showing a bit stronger downward action, which was not comfortable for taking new longs compared to the beginning of the week. And as a result, you can see in the beginning of this week, market has dropped. Now it stands at the oversold on the weekly chart and very close to the 1450 area. 1450, as you can see on the weekly chart, is the confidence support. So this very strong support area, which suggests that some pullback here probably will happen. In fact, we have a kind of the bread and butter buy by the chart Napoli when the market will hit the 1450 area. So once market will hit this area level, we have the thrust drop. Yes, it's a lot of candles below the 3x3, not just 3 candles, but now it's 4th candle, and it will be probably 5th right at this level. But overall situation is a confidence support, and the oversold on the weekly creates the background for a pullback. It means that the current circumstances, as market stands oversold on the weekly and on the daily, it's not a good idea for taking new shorts. So if you have traded this direct hand shoulders pattern, it was great and it has worked. Once we thought that probably it was able to fail just because of the situation on the weekly, but this hasn't happened. And once market has formed this collapse, that was the moment that was worrying about for us, and we said here that it's better to wait and see what will happen. And indeed, this hand shoulders is working right now. OP target has been hit. Market right now stands at the result as well here, and then the support 1460 and OP target. So currently it's not the moment for taking the shorts position, new shorts position. So maybe you could keep shorts that you already have with the moving stops gradually lower, but in the current circumstances it's not good point for taking the short position. And if you would like to take the short, it would be better to wait for a pullback here, wherever it will happen, either from this level, maybe from the 1450, $10 lower it could start, but currently it's unsafe to take new shorts. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see how situation was developing. So that's the collapse that was warning sign for us, and here we have made the decision to not take any new longs. This was decisive moment because it was too strong. As we expected, some minor levels should be reached and market should reestablish upward action, but market has dropped right to the major 618 support. If you remember, from these lows to this top, it was 618 support. Currently we have the very good thrust down, here market is coming to the minor XOP on the follow time frame chart from this A, B, C top. XOP stands at 1455. As soon as it will be hit, well, the scalp traders could sort chances for scalp longs based on this thrust down. Maybe the bread body buy will, bread body sell will be formed or something of that sort. But in general, here we do not consider currently some longs on the daily chart because we have the bearish context, and we still can't take the new shorts just because market stands overextended down. The one thing that we now could keep an eye on the gold market, just wait for a pullback. Because another interesting chart, guys, that I would like to show you, so take a look at the gold market in euro, you will see that the pattern that we were waiting on the dollar chart as well has been formed here. And on the gold chart in euro, we have the perfect double repo sell. Perfect thrust up, close below the 3x3, close above, and close below by the end of the September. And right on Monday, pattern has been completed. Now is taking the continuation. The minimum target of this double repo is 1269, 1268 area on the euro. Of course, the different reasons could be for this collapse. Maybe euro could rise or something of that sort. But in general, it suggests some downward action on the gold market as well. So it means that here what we have on the dollar chart of the gold, we have pretty significant room and time for trading, for making decisions. So it absolutely doesn't necessarily trying to hurry up and taking the position immediately. This is weekly and monthly setup, guys. This is major retracement, and we will have lots of time to take the part in it. So as with the first leg is coming to completion, we need to wait for a pullback, and then we could trying to take the position in the continuation of this retracement. So that's our view on the gold market right now.